Bro seems like a decent guy only. हाँ चैट पे हुई है ना इतनी बात. हाँ decent ही होगा, trust me. Yeah. अरे लाइव लोकेशन भेजा है ना तुझे? Oh wait, I think he's here. I'll talk to you later. हाँ चल 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 bye. Hi.
Hi.
Come. Hi.
Hi.
So you want to begin? Okay, wait. I'm sorry. Did I make you uncomfortable or something?
No. Why did you lie about your height?
But height का हुकअप से क्या लेना देना है?
No, it's not about the height. It's about the lie. मुझे क्या पता और क्या क्या झूठ बोलने तुमने. तुम्हारा नाम भी सिम्मी है कि नहीं? Who knows?
यार मेरा नाम सिम्मी टिम्मी जम्मी जो भी हो, उसका हुकअप से क्या लेना देना है? हुकअप ही तो है यार.
तुम्हारा नाम सिम्मी नहीं है?
मेरा नाम सिम्मी ही है. Okay, fine. I lied because a lot of good guys just swipe left on me because of my height. I didn't want to miss out on good guys. That's why I lied.
Miss out on good guys? क्यों? हुकअप ही तो है. Good guys से क्या करना तुम्हें? All good?
सिम्बा पोच पे फंस गया है.
Who is Simba now?
My cat. I'm sorry, I have to go.
Okay, wait. I can help. कार है मेरे पास. जल्दी पहुंचेंगे.
Okay. Straight from here and then take a right. Thank you so much. Idiot. Idiot. पूरा टाइम ऐसे ही करता रहता है.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi, Simba. You like cats?
I love them. Cute one this is.
Wanna hold him?
Yeah, sure. Hey.
Go for it.
Come.
Hold him like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
It's okay, no worries. By the way, do you live alone?
Yeah.
तो फिर होटल में क्यों बुलाया?
अरे पहले ही डेट पे कौन घर पे बुलाता है?
क्यों? हुकअप ही तो है.
Enough with that, हाँ now. बस हो गया.
ओ.
अरे he just I don't think he liked you.
Who knows? थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करेगा. He like me.
Yeah.
अच्छा, तुम्हारे बायो में लिखा था you like night drives.
Yeah.
चले?
Okay.
खिड़की.
Oh,
फिर से कूद जाएगा नहीं तो.
thank you for reminding me. So, I think it's time for me to leave now.
Yeah. Okay. Also, it's morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay then. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, then thank you so much, Harshad. I had a very good time.
Likewise.
Bye then. My keys. My keys.